Yo, what is going on, everybody? I am back with another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to vanish a Sharpie in a pretty sweet way. So this is the not the snap change, the flipstick vanish. That's what it is. So I did teach this a while back on my channel, but I do have a lot. I think I've improved this a lot, and I'm going to teach this a lot better, and I have a better way of doing this. So anyways, let's get right into the tutorial. Okay guys, so here's what the vanish looks like. So I'm going to take a Sharpie and I'm actually just going to vanish it just like that. Make it reappear. Just like that. So that is the Sharpie vanish. I actually do use this more than you would think. And I mean, it does fool lots of people. I mean, you're not just going to go up to someone and say, "You want to see a trick? Watch this." And then vanish it and reappear it. Obviously that's not really that great of a trick, but I mean, if you want to mix this in with a few other tricks, or if you're just at school or something with just a pencil or something, you can just do this. So it's pretty easy. So basically what I'm doing is, from the behind view, I'm basically just pulling this back like this, and it makes it look like it vanishes. So basically I'm gonna come over here. So basically what it looks like is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put my hand in front of it like this. And as I come down, I pull this back and I show that it vanishes. And then I push it back with my thumb, showing that it reappears. So that is actually what I'm doing. So now how to do it. So basically what you're going to do, so you're going to take your index finger and your thumb, you're going to pinch the edge of the Sharpie like this, then you're going to take your middle finger and put it right next to your index finger, just like so, on the Sharpie. So your hand should look like this, with these fingers curled in the back. Now all you're doing is you're going to have your middle finger just simply pull back, just like this. So you're just going to take your middle finger and just pull this back, and it will just rotate on your index finger. This is pretty easy, but it will take a lot of practice. The original version I taught on my channel was not having the hand like this and doing it like that, but I just went like this and then made it reappear. I do not like that. One reason, it does flash a lot. And second of all, you have to be able to do it really fast. So for those reasons, I really do not like it. I can do it well and fast because I practice this so much, but I don't recommend it because it doesn't even look as good as this. I mean, I think this looks a lot better, to be honest, than just this. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. You can do whatever way you want, but this one will take a lot of practice, and this one will not, because you can do it as slow as you want. You can simply just take that and just vanish it like this. You really don't have to be fast about it. You can be as slow as you want. That's why I like this technique, because you can go as slow as you want because your hand is literally covering what you're doing. I mean, like, it's literally just covering it, so you can literally just, kind of just pull it back super slow and then make it vanish and then make it reappear again. Super easy to do. I definitely recommend go learning this if you have not already. If you're a magician, you probably have already learned this, but if you're not and you've never learned this, go ahead and learn it because you're going to want to know it. Just, I don't know. I mean, you want to be able to do magic with any object that someone hands you. So let's say someone just hands you a pencil, they tell you to do a trick with it. There are a few things I would do with that pencil. This would be one of them. That's just one of the things I would do. The other thing I would do was, I don't know, maybe I could just shove it up my nose as a joke. That is fun to do, not gonna lie. But anyways, and the other thing I'd probably do is I could either do it through my cheek or something else, but I can't think of it right now. There is something else I would do. But anyways, That's just me. So definitely go learn this. You need it in your arsenal of magic repertoire, so that if someone gives you a Sharpie or a pencil and asks you to do a trick, you can do this for them right away. This is probably the first thing I would do, honestly. And then the other things I would do after that. Because this is just quick, gets attention, and then you're not just going to want to do that and leave, obviously. But, you know, like I said, you're going to want to be able to do magic with any object. So if someone gives you a piece of paper and tells you to do a trick with it, I right away know what I'm going to do with that paper. If someone hands me something else, like if someone hands me a rock and tells me to do a trick with it, I know what I'm going to do, okay? I just do. I don't know. You need to be able to just do magic with anything you're given. Usually someone will not just give you something and tell you to do a trick with it if you don't know them. But if you do know them, if they're like a friend or something, or at school, and they just give you something and tell you to do a trick with it, you're going to want to be able to do something with that. So anyways, that is the end of the video. Don't forget to I don't know why I always mess up my wording when I say that. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button, because it helps me out and it makes me have a good day, I guess. I mean, if I go on my channel and I see that one video has a lot of likes on it, it makes my day, because that means I know that people like my content. So anyways, that being said, I hope you guys have a great day, and anyways, I'll see you guys next time.